Athukumi o vamwe na Enenthi kuma MUSYINI wa Masaku NIMATWAAISYA Miatianio ya MUUO ngina MYAKONI ya MBUNGE ya Masaku ni kana Kusukumiia Kuvitukithwa kwa budget ya Masaku ya mwaka wa 2026-2027 maine na andiki mama uvonza wa MBUNGE su amwe Athukumi ni maweta tamekumbelitwe ni thina mwingi na Enenthi wa Masaku ta ukwendea na kunyama nundu vai maendeyo mekwikwa budget itembitukithie ni maumia witano kula kwi member MBUNGE no kuvitukithia budget isu kwa mituki ni kana Enenthi mathukumwe.
So today, as the workers of Machakos County, we have come to the County Assembly of Machakos so that also we can be able to present our petition concerning the matter that is affecting the workers of Machakos County and also at large the population and the residents of Machakos County. All of us, we know any county government or any government, may it be the national government of the county, it has to have a budget so that they can be able to facilitate the provision of the essential services within its jurisdiction. So we are here today because there has been a delay of passing the debate and also approval of the 2026-2027 budget for Machakos County. All of us, we know, I know the guys from the media, you have been following the process within Machakos County. The process started way back around February, where there was public participation concerning the county fiscal strategic paper. I think our members within the different sub-counties and also wards, they were able to participate and also able to give their views on issues that they needed to be able to be given priority within the financial year of 2026-2027. The process went on and we have been able to engage both the executive and also the county assembly. And we know the stage went to the level where the executive provided or tabled the budget estimate for 2026-2027 around April. During that time, we know the county assembly has also been able to engage the executive on any clarification during that period. But to our disappointment is because this budget was supposed to be debated and also be approved by 30th of July by the county assembly. But up to now, when we are talking about 3rd of August, this budget for Machakos County has not yet been able to be passed. And this is the reason why we have been able to walk, we have been able to leave our places of work so that we can be able to come to the county assembly and be able to get answers why this delay is continuing.